Good morning children. Welcome back to our maths classes. We will continue with the same chapter, chapter 1, revision. The question number K we are going to discuss. Write in the counts of 5. Here you are getting a number 785 to 820. You have to count by 5. That means you will increase the number 5 with the number which is given for you, that is 785, and increasing by 785 you are getting 790 and 790 after you are getting 795, and that 795 plus 5 you are getting 800. Then 800 plus 5, 805, 805 plus 810, 810 plus 5, 815, 815 plus 5, 820. See, your question is 785 to 820. Counting in the counts. Write in the counts of 5. That means you have to increase, skip by 5. 5 with first number is given here, and 5 with the first number. When you increase, you are getting the next number. Again you have to skip by 5. Again you have to, and till 820 you have to do. Now let's see question number L. Write in the counts of 10. Now 5 we discussed, and now 10 you have to increase with the given number. You are getting 440 here. 440, the same number I am going to write here. 40 plus 10. Then you will get 450. Then 460. Then 470. 480, 490, 490 plus 10, you will get 500. Then 510. That is the last digit you have got here as the question. So here we are increasing the number 10. That means you have to change the place of tens place. Tens place you are changing, and you are getting the number. And here since it is 9, we have to, the hundreds place also will change. 500 and 510. Now let's discuss write in the counts of 100. The question you are getting 600 to 1300. Till 1300 you have to increase by 100. That means we will change the place value of hundreds. Now here you are getting 600 in the question, 600. Now we will increase 100, 700. Now 800. Then 900. 900 plus 100 is equal to 1000. That you are getting a 4-digit number. You are getting a 4-digit number, but you have to increase 100. So here thousands plus 100 is equal to 1100. Then 1000 200, 1300. See your question 600 to 1300. Now here you see, when you get a 4-digit number, there you are making a difference only in hundreds place when you increase 100. See here 0, that means 1000 came after 900. Then 1000, and when you write increase 100 with this thousands place, only the place value of the hundreds place will change. Here then 2, then 3. Now your question is frame 5 3-digit numbers by using the following digit with or without repetition. In your copy, in your fair book, in your book, the spelling of repetition is wrong. They have given repetion. You have to correct it as repetion. That is repetition. That means with or without repetition. You are getting a 3 digits. This is not number. Now we have to form numbers. 5 3-digit numbers. Now the instruction given, we can with or without repetition. With we can repeat also and without repetition. So here these don't be confused. These are only digits. We can repeat or we can, that is optional. Okay, here 600 and 666 and 4 you are getting. Now let's form first number. We can form 664. Okay, now you have got 664. Now let's bring the last digit, that is 466. Now you got another number 466 from this digit. 664, 466. Now let us bring 6 first in hundreds place and 4 in tens place and another 6 in ones place. Then you got another number. The 3 number we make with a different digit. Now this is without repetition, the number. Now with the repetition. Now 2 options we have got, with or without repetition. We can repeat also. So you are getting number 600. We can repeat the number. So 666. We are repeating the number. And here another digit is 4. So 444. See, don't be mistaken, because these are only digits and we have to frame numbers, and we have the option with or without repetitions. That means we can repeat and we cannot repeat. That is in our side. So here without repetition the number making is impossible. We will get only 3 number, but we have to frame 5 3-digit numbers. The question is 5 3-digit numbers. So I have made 664, 466, 646, 666 by repeating the number, 444 by repeating the digit. Now I hope it is clear for you how I got 666 and 444, because we have an option that we can repeat the digit. Now next question also I will do for you. There is no repetition. And now 8, 9 and 1, 3 digit you are getting. Let me write 891 you can write. Then let's bring the first number, second number first, and this another number we can. Then last number first, and you can make 8 and 9, 189. Then 9 first and 8. Fourth number you get 819. Are getting 5 digit, and now we can make from this 3 digit few more numbers. Okay, now 891, 981, 189, 918 and 819. These numbers I have solved. Now let's see question number O. Now let's continue. O. Form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers from the given digits. Here you are getting question number 1, 8, 9 and 4. So we have already found out how to make a small digit number. Here I am bringing back the same number 8, 9 and 4. Here, which is the greatest number in this? 9. Let us bring first 9. Then next greatest number is 8 and the smallest number is 4. So now you are getting the greatest number from this digit. That means the value, the given value, the number 9 has more value than the other number. So that number we are giving in hundreds place. Hundreds place, because when the number digit increases from right to left, right to left, the left number has more value in n number. So the 9 has more value. The second most value number is 8. So I am bringing in tens place, and in ones place the smallest number. Now you have got the greatest number. Now I am writing here 984 is the greatest number. Is the greatest number. 984 is the greatest number. Now the smallest number we have to bring. We have to bring from the same digit. Okay, same from question 1 we will bring. Now the smallest number, now how we will take? First we will take the smallest number among this is 4. Then second smallest is 8. The greatest number is 9. Now your smallest number is also ready here. Now your smallest number is 489, smallest. Now let's take the second question, that you are getting 8, 3 and 0. 3 digit you are getting. Now the first greatest number, we will bring the greatest number among it is 8, and the second one is 3, and last one is 0. Okay, the smallest number is 0. We will keep in ones place. The second value more number we are keeping in tens place, and hundreds place the number which has got more value we are writing. So you are getting the greatest number. 830 is the greatest number. Now the second. Now here the 0 number, 0 has the digit 0 has no value. So you don't write the 0 in the beginning of the number. Any number, if you get any number, you should not begin with the 0, because if you write the 0 in the beginning, the number has, the 0 will not have any value. So the second smallest number we are bringing down, that is 3. Okay, 3 after we are bringing down 0. Then 8. Now you are getting 308. Yeah, smallest number is 308. Number is 8. See, always be careful. You are getting 3 digit. The 0 has the lowest value, but you don't start the smallest number with the 0. 0 we will begin with. 3 we will write down first. The second, if you get a 0 also in a digit, you will take the second smallest number, that is 3, that we will bring down, then 0 and 8, 308. Then you are getting the 830 is the greatest number, 308 is the smallest number. Now I am going to give you some homework in the book. Now let us see the book. Now I am going to give some homework. Question K. Write in the counts of 5. First one I have done for you, that you can repeat, and question number 2 and 3 please do. Then question L, write in the counts of 10. Now 442, 510, first question I have done for you. Now please do. Question M, write in the counts of 100. Now question number 1, you are getting 600 to 1000 and 300. So you do this, and question 2 and 3 homework. One is done for you. And here you see in question N, frame 5 3-digit numbers by using the following digit with or without repetition. So here 2 questions I have done for you, and that you do the rest 3, 4, 5 homework. And greatest number O, form the greatest and smallest 3-digit number from the given digit. Here 1, 894, 984. You are getting the greatest number and smallest 489. Now question number 2, 8, 3 and 0. You are getting 830. Greatest and 308 is the smallest. Thank you. Do homework and stay safe at home. Bye.